Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Binance verification failed. Now this is very quick and easy. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click click on the Binance icon in the top left here. Okay, just click on it. And it's going to take you guys to this page. Now here, as you can see, my account is verified. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click on that verified button there. Just click on it, and it's going to take you guys to this page. Like, it's like a verification center to see what is exactly that is required from you. Okay, if that makes sense. Like the command that is not correct. Okay, and like Binance wants you to verify that again. Now as you can see here, guys, required, as you can see, form it is a upgrade to increase your fiat limits to 10 million USD daily. Now I'm just going to scroll down the very bottom, and here is the place where you can see what is required from you, like the command that you need to add. Okay, it can be like a proof of address. It can be, for example, your your ID, like national ID. You have to take a picture of the front of your national ID and the back of your national ID. Here you will be able to see what is causing the Binance not to verify the account. Now another way, guys, that will help you, if you scroll down, you will be able to see here identity verification. Now you can see or you can just click here on customer support so that you can contact them directly. Okay, this is a good way if you don't want to search exactly what is happening. You can just contact them directly, and then they will give you exactly what you need to do. Now if you click here on identity verification, okay, you will be able to see multiple things here. For example, why do I need to complete identity verification in my Binance account? They will give you the answer for that. Here, how to complete identity verification for personal account, or how to request or provide signature for Binance identity verification commands online, how to use the verification collaborators function in Binance identity verification. Now you can have multiple answers to all your questions here. Now the best way I found here is to contact them directly and ask them exactly what is going on. They will be able to help you. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helps you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next video.